this one now. All right, so practice test 4 of command and evidence, quantitative information ideas. So let's see your answer. Can you tell me your answer for number 1?
I thought we just like go through the correct, like the wrong ones to
Yeah,
see
let's just go to the wrong ones then.
yeah,
I mean, so which one you got wrong?
number 6.
Okay, number 6. Tadpole body mass and toxin production after 3 weeks in ponds. Okay, so remember, you can scroll. So which shall use data from the table most effectively support the researcher's conclusion? So the researcher concluded that increased competition drove bufadienolide production at the expense of growth. So
I chose A, but the correct answer is B.
okay, different in average tadpole body mass was small between low and medium population. So different, you can see this number are not that many difference between them, right?
Yeah.
And substantially larger between low and high, correct. But does it support the conclusion? Increased competition. So of course, if it's more dense, there's going to be more competition compared to low population density, right? So, so if it's high competitions, the body mass is like only 193 milligrams something. When low competition, it's like 258.
So it's like it's dense.
But you have to understand, it's most effectively support this conclusion. So why B is better? Tadpoles in a low and medium population density has substantially lower average bufadiene something concentration, but had greater average body mass than those high population. Okay. So the word substantially lower in bufadienolide something here seems substantial, seems important. Had a greater something average body masses.
But I don't see the concentration. Like where is the concentration in the diagram in the graph?
Here, the last one. You can see these numbers. 171 compared to 374 is like 2.5 times more, right? So it's substantially lower, yes. Greater average body masses.
I'm just thinking, like, how can it support the conclusion? So
At the expense of growth, it means that it will shunt growth.
Like it grows.
Increased competition drove bufadienolide production. It means the bufadienolide concentration will increase a lot. So that's why it reaches number where it increased a lot. But then at the expense of growth, it means the growth will go down a lot. So you can see this number is much smaller compared to the other two, right?
Yeah. So the production here is about the concentration. Like it talks about the concentration.
Yes, of bufadienolide something. But look at A. Why is not A? Okay, between low and medium population density conditions, etc. This one, doesn't talk about bufandianolide production or its concentration at all, no? So that's why it doesn't support effectively the researcher's conclusion,
Yeah.
Meanwhile, this one has.
Because when I read B, I don't understand the concentration part. Like I don't know which does that support to.
It
So
support the bufandianolide production. If it's produced more, the concentration of this one gonna be higher.
okay.
You got it, right?
Yeah.
A doesn't even have this one to begin with, so that's why it's B.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, next one.
Practice 6.
It's gonna be this one.
No, I got them correct
All of
also.
them.
Yeah,
Okay, practice 8.
same. It's same. Yeah, none was wrong. Practice 10, I got number 6 wrong.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's one.
As used in the text, does the phrase a singular most nearly mean what? Okay, let's read it. Okay. A singular, where is that? Um,
It's, so the correct answer is D, and I chose A because I don't think
a
that.
lonely change, huh? You
Because I
think
because but D, it sounds
extraordinary change.
like why is it extraordinary? It's just like visible. It's like not
So look at
so
this one. The first thing they say that at first the rose lay lightly on the surface of the liquid, of the fluid, appear to imbibe none of its moisture. It means it's so dead, right?
yeah, yeah,
It's so dead, nothing happens.
right.
It doesn't even absorb any liquid at all.
Yes, yes.
Then you can see the crushed and dry petals stir and assume a deepening tinge of crimson as if the flower were reviving. They're alive again from a death-like slumber. So it's like the complete opposite of what has happened.
Yeah.
And they use the word revive. It means something extraordinary. Sống lại, một cái gì phi thường.
Mm,
So revive means you live again. So it's very extraordinary from a death-like slumber. So it seems like it's a very extraordinary change, not a lonely change.
yeah. Oh, okay, I think I got
You have
it.
to look at the whole thing and compare like the ideas between the left and the right side of that to compare like um, you know, are there contrasting ideas or something?
No.
Yes, they are contrasting, but not only that, look at the word they use.
Hmm.
Revive,
Vibing. Okay.
death-like slumber, ngủ
Hmm.
như chết,
Yeah, yeah.
reviving, sống lại. It's like alive again. It's like something extraordinary. You wouldn't expect things to be alive again, right? So
Yes.
that's why it's extraordinary.
Yeah. Mac. Yeah. Okay. Fair enough.
But okay, but I just want to tell you that okay, check the left and the right side of the word they asking about. So what's the
Yes.
idea? Is it contrasting? Is it supporting? Is it implying anything?
Imply on.
Nó có
Got
hàm ý gì không? Is it implying anything?
Yeah.
Okay, so what next?
It's just that.
Oh,
Just
okay.
just one more.
All right. I'm just gonna. Okay, so seems like we are there at 11 now. I'm gonna open 11, 13, 15, and maybe 17 as well. And
Okay.
we'll do start from 11, yeah?
Yes.
It takes a while, of course it does. But basically, 11, it's text structure and purpose. So they ask you like, what is the purpose of this sentence? What does it serve?
Yeah.
Does it
It,
provide you example? Does it explain the point before that in easier terms? Does it contrast something like that?
yeah. It kind of similar to the main ideas type of questions.
Yes, but now you have to understand like what's the purpose of that sentence, of that text. What
Mm,
does it do?
okay.
And then 13 is about cross-text connections,
It's
the
about
connection between two different texts, I think.
that's hard. Yeah.
It is.
Yeah.
And then transition between texts. Like, do you need any linking words? Like, however,
Mm,
meanwhile, as a result, something like that.
yeah.
It's hard. Trust me, it's hard.
Uh, SAT is hard.
I know it's hard. It's harder than IELTS.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Okay, now craft and structure, text structure and purpose. Now, let's go from number one.
Okay. Hmm. I think it's B. The speaker describe a team. Yeah.
Sounds
It's
like me, yeah?
yeah, it's B.
Hmm, no, not interference, yeah.
No, no.
Effort in the nature.
It against that. Like the nature cannot be
Ah,
dominated.
yes. So reminder that all nature is not control, is controllable, yeah.
Yeah,
Sounds like me, yeah.
yeah.
Okay, number two.
Describe picture of the text. Mm. I think it's A.
Hmm. Best describe the overall structure of text. It introduced a respected researcher, which is mathematician Claude Shannon, something, right? Describe an aspect of his work. It is his most important paper.
This is
That's
the paper. Yeah.
why his work is historically significant.
So,
Hmm.
so the last sentence, the whole
All
communication.
communication revolution was has sprung. Okay, maybe it's good to read the other options carefully too. You still think it's A?
I still stick to A because
Okay. All right, number 3.
it shows business drives us. Mm. Mm. Hmm. Yeah, I think it's the like the purpose
It
of the
just tell like the whole story about the cafe
yeah,
from the founding and then what it does, something like that.
yeah. So
Yeah.
an overview, I think.
Number 4. But remember that you need to redo things that we did before as well.
Yeah, I I know. Mhm. Yeah, it's C. This one is obvious.
It's emphasized Shakti's and belong in the landscape. The functional underlying portion, the tree seems to extend like branches like welcoming arms. Hmm. And then she crossed the wood she knew so well. It means she is like an extension of, it belonged to the landscape.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, number 5. Wow, Vitus chemist inventor.
Mhm. I think there is some contrast here in the passage.
Very much, yeah. But the
Mm.
main purpose of the text, please read carefully. Does it explain why one character dislikes another?
No, like I think yes, but It's not the main purpose.
He thought
He
he
thought,
thought
mm,
that the American Saban was an absurd person, like
mm,
this weird fellow.
yeah. So,
Yeah, but then finally, no less a personage than Sir Humphrey Davy.
so
So it means they are very similar person. They're very similar in personality.
yeah. So yeah, it's a some kind of contrast. So I think it's a misunderstanding. I'll
Mm,
go
I also
for
think so too. Yeah.
I'll go
And
for D.
C is not like how someone become famous now.
No, no.
And it doesn't talk about how someone is embarrassed by his own behavior.
Embarrassed, yeah. So
Nah.
it's not D. It's not
Yeah, so it's the okay, number six. Ah,
only six.
biology.
Oh yeah, biology.
It's like they're always gonna be like one or two questions like biology here.
Yeah, because it sucks. The
Ah,
biology sucks.
trust me, it's not that bad.
No, is that
Physics
bad?
is worse. Physics is worse.
I didn't check. I didn't learn physics at school, so I don't know about that.
Oh dear.
Mm. No. Yeah. It's D
Describe a meme which, okay, horizontal transfer marker among vertebrates.
because A, C is not
Hmm.
it's not comparing and
It
it's
doesn't compare between invertebrate and vertebrates. Yeah.
yeah, it just describe
Okay.
the
Different vertebrate species, you see.
mm,
Okay. Okay, it's D. Then submit.
yes.
Oh, you got all of them right. Correct.
Yeah.
Perfect. Congratulations.
Yes.
So 12 is gonna be the same thing. It's gonna be your
What?
sorry, homework.
Yeah.
13 is about craft and structure.
Let me note it down so that I can remember.
Okay, please write it down like
What is
12,
yeah.
12, 14, 16, and 18. Okay.
Okay. So 12.
12, 14, 16, 18 is gonna be your homework. All right, so now let's come to 13. It's craft and structure, cross-text connections. Like you have two texts here, and then how they are connected together.
Yes.
Oh my God, these names. Cares, Caceres, Corex.
Mm. Oh, it's C.
It may seem plausible, but it's not supported by the research team's finding.
Yeah,
As
because
it feels like it feels like the conclusion were different, right? Between the two
yeah,
texts.
the text one, it just provide like the view. It doesn't provide the experiment.
Conclusion, whatever, just like
The text, yeah, yeah, text one. Um, yeah,
contrary to the expectations. So they were expecting the same thing, like text one, but the
that's
result was,
different.
yeah. So it's
Yes.
not supported by the research team finding. Hmm. All right, text two, soya sauce. Oh, now this is made from fermented soybean. But when I try to ferment soybean, it just smell like trash, you know? Oh my God.
If text one, text two, where to agree. Umami. I think it's A because it cannot be the other three.
Based on the text, Ishii, and O'Mahony and Junger et al. Were aware of the finding of both experiments, they would most likely agree with this statement. Okay, you're trying to eliminate the other three.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Most likely do not have a substantial amount of dipeptide that play a key role. Okay, I trust you. Text one, text two.
Uh, a lot of
These
text.
things are difficult. Just be careful. Read them through, okay?
Yeah. May I ask what is dismissive in A? Dismissive.
Well, because scholars are dismissive of literary work, dismissive means like you're trying to shrug away something. You're
Oh,
trying to say that this is not that important. This is belittle something.
okay. Okay.
Phủ nhận. That's, I think, refuse the importance of something, I think.
I like dismissed.
To
So it's
dismiss someone, dismiss đuổi ai đó.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. No. So it's gotta be B.
Hmm.
It's unsurprising.
You sure about that?
Yeah, pretty sure.
Hmm. Okay, number four.
Hmm.
The starchy root cassava. African food can be quite
Okay.
interesting.
I'll go for D.
Cassava did not become significant crop in West Africa until long after it was first introduced.
Yeah, it's the
Hmm.
common one. We tend
Most likely agree.
yeah.
Hmm. Okay. Number five.
Mm.
Most likely say about experiment describe text two.
It's one, B, takes two.
To remind myself to write something.
No, it's not. It's supposed to clean. No. Disappearing. Well, I'll go to A.
Most likely say inconsistent with the current understanding of physics.
At the microscopic, but not at the
At a very small scale, a microscopic level, like, and but in the big scale, not at all.
because text one it says that hold on. But wait. But laws of physics at a microscopic hold oh so
Irreversible.
it against like text one and text two are the opposite.
Mm,
Text one said that it can be reversible and text two it's
no, say nah.
so must be incomplete. I think
Yeah,
so.
I think so. It's incomplete.
Yeah,
That's why there's still a lot of things we don't know about it. Yeah.
it's B.
Yes. Number six. And
Oh,
this, say again.
no, nothing.
Okay, let's do it again. If you're still like, hmm.
No. I understand it. Just like I just thought that.
I just phew. Okay, number six. It would be fun to see your dad being able to speak in English with you like fluently after a year of studying, you know? Well, just try to encourage him to do that, you know?
Yeah.
As a
I'll
daughter, you should encourage your dad to
yeah.
try to study more, you know?
Yeah.
You know what's the problem with the adults in this country?
No.
They don't study that much.
Yeah.
And they are quite dismissive with the idea of
I would
learning
say
more.
so. Yeah. But my dad, he loves studying. Like he
That's
likes
great.
to research. He likes researching a lot. So I think,
Wow, that's lovely.
yeah, yeah. He's doing the PhD.
Oh, wow. He's still doing PhD?
Yeah.
Wow.
Hmm. Mm. It also opposite. So I think it's B.
Likely, okay, Artemyeva likely respond to Shira's hypothesis. So they oppose each other. So it seems like you choose B, no?
Yeah,
The not gonna have a magnesium fast in geological relating to okay. Are you sure it's B?
because I use the elimination.
Yeah, sounds like phrasing. It means they really agree with each other.
Yeah, so it's not.
Concurring means they also agree, right?
Yeah, and with A,
Insisting, huh?
it's not actually talking about that. I think.
Hmm. Okay, submit. Whew.
Yeah.
Perfect. You done well today, is it? Despite Mercury retrograde. But seriously, I think it's a terrible thing, you know. I mean, it's maybe it's not as bad as it sounds. It just basically makes everyone be more introspective, think carefully.
Hmm. So it's what is the name of this phenomenon again? Like what's
Mercury retrograde, sao thủy nghịch hành.
I think I might need to research on that.
Yeah, you need to do that, I think. I mean, it's quite popular in the pop culture these days. I mean,
Mm.
people talk about it a lot, and it does affect people for real.
Oh.
I mean, I'm also an astrologer. I learn about it,
Mm.
and also I'm also a man of science too. So of course I can see things from both views,
Yeah.
and I still think that it's a real thing. You know,
So it affects humans like internally or
everyone, not just human, like cats, dogs, any living
oh,
creature as well. I think
mm,
weird,
like
right?
like mentally or
Mentally, it slows us down. We cannot think very clearly. We make more mistakes. We can miscommunicate more.
oh, but what is the reason for that? Like
Well,
why why is that? So
I have no idea. It's just like the energy of the planets, I think. Cái năng lượng của hành tinh, it's just like that. There's a lot of things we cannot explain with science, you know, because astrology is not a science.
mm,
It's a divination. Nó là một cái môn học về thần học mà. It's a divination. It's not a science. So you cannot explain something like God with
yeah,
science, you know, you cannot.
right.
So the same thing can happen with astrology too.
Hmm.
Có nhiều cái em không giải thích được đâu. Bằng khoa
Yeah.
học. Yeah. So let's do this one. Okay, so this paper, test 15, is about expression of ideas and transition between like sentences and stuff, how the ideas are expressed out.
Ah.
So they ask which choice complete the text with the most logical transition. Hmm.
Mm. Moreover. Uh, it's D. Moreover.
You mean moreover? Okay, the superficial traditional work, moreover, was working new ground by. But this first sentence, they say that right in free verse didn't reject traditional form entirely.
Yeah.
So it means that he still follow
You
traditional form
follow
somehow, right?
the OG.
But the second sentence, they say he was breaking new ground. So it's the opposite, right?
Is it the opposite? I
Kind of
felt,
opposite, yeah.
mm, I felt like the part her poem, that part is the opposite, and
Hmm.
the later on sentence,
Okay, so moreover, then let's see. Okay,
yeah,
number two, reforestation efforts.
reforestations. Mm, It's raining.
Oh, it's raining now in your place?
Yeah, it's raining.
Place not yet. I think. Oh, wait. It's just windy, very windy.
My place is raining already. It's really loud here. Uh, where's the effect? I did that. The results. Mm, I will for B accordingly. B.
Yes. Number three.
Which is competitives. Choose statistics. How, however, however, it's A.
Mm. Number four, seismologist.
When do we use indeed and when do we use consequently?
Again,
When, when do we
consequently, it's meant as a result.
and indeed, like when do we use the indeed?
Thật vậy. So it means that you try to reaffirm the thing that has been said before with like an explanation that is clear. Em giải thích lại cái ý đằng trước với một cái cách giải thích gì mà nó dễ hiểu hơn, chẳng hạn ví dụ indeed, thật vậy, something like that.
Oh, so it's like in other words, it's like some sort
Yeah,
of
indeed, in other words, something like that.
uh,
Consequently, like as a result. Hậu
mm,
quả là, hiệu quả là, kết quả là, something like that.
Okay.
Okay.
So I think probably C in this case.
Number five.
Years just
Oh, by the way, did you learn with Mr. Abraham before, right?
yeah, I did.
I mean, when was that? That's a long time ago now.
Not quite long, like after TED, so it's like March or late February.
Mm. So
Yeah.
how is he? It's been a long time since the last time I saw him, though.
Also, where do you live? Like
I live in
car.
District 7, District 7.
So you live in Ho Chi Minh City.
Where are you?
Same. But like I thought you live in some sort of different cities.
Oh no, I live here. I've been living here for a long time though.
Oh,
It's like I think Abraham moves to Da Nang, I
Da
think.
Nang. Yeah, he's living in Da Nang. He lives in Da Nang.
And also you study with Mr. Tai, right?
Yeah, for
He's also
math.
my good friend too.
Mm. He's biology service. In many cases. In many cases, these are restrained. Yeah. Yeah. It's B.
In many cases. I agree. Number six.
Church service will have that business in. For example. It's B.
Yeah, because it give example of what story. Number seven. Well, there's more here. Number
It's A.
seven.
Inherit debate. Explain. D. That is.
That is. So it is like explaining it in a easier way, you know.
Yeah. Like yeah. It introduced about the debaters, I think.
Yeah, that is okay. So number eight, wish cycling.
Oh, push cycling. What's that? Putting down recycling items. Uh,
You wish that cake could be recycled, but no, it's like a
putting down items into recycling bins. Oh, Um, non-recyclable. Fittingly. I think it's B, even though I haven't like seen that word before. But I think
Fittingly, it means like something that goes in par on par with the thing that had been said before, cái gì đó nó giống như tương xứng tương đồng với
mm, yeah, I can guess the meaning through
tương
the
khớp
words.
khớp khớp với lại cái được nói trước phía trước
Mm,
đó. Fittingly,
yeah, it matches, so yeah,
yeah, it matches, right, match, rendering entire batch unusable, non-usable damage or recycling plant machinery. It's
yeah,
like it feels like it's another supporting idea, isn't it?
yeah. So it can be like thus, hence, therefore, some sort like that. But there's no here.
I
And
think it's moreover.
moreover,
Because first they say non-recyclable items can contaminate recyclable materials, like other material that can be recycled. So it makes the whole batches unusable. So the
yeah,
second idea is that these non-recyclable products can damage the machine of the recycling plants. So it's two different things, right? Not related, right?
I thought it's the same. Is it the same? Like non
No, no, no.
non-recyclable items
Entire
can.
batch, it means just the material itself, not the machine. Yeah. Nó chỉ là cái những thứ mà có thể được recycle thôi, còn cái này là nói về cái máy trong nhà máy. You know?
Oh, oh, wait.
Just read it carefully again, please. It's like
Only non-recyclable. So you mean like the last sentence is another idea of non-recyclable product, right?
it's not a new idea, I think. So
Hmm. No,
it's
items.
either A or B. Yeah.
Yeah. There's a such as reason it pop boxes contaminate recycled material for rendering and fashion time. Hmm. Yeah. But I feel like if it's moreover, then it cannot be the last sentence. Like I feel like it needs to be developed more, something like that.
Need to be what?
Like develop more, like
Development.
develop more.
So it's like two different ideas, right?
Yes.
So what do you choose?
Um.
Okay, let's go with fittingly.
Yes.
No, correct answer is moreover.
Oh. Okay.
And the first one was wrong. B is correct answer.
B. What is B?
I'm just gonna go back here and oh my god, and don't tell me another 20 seconds. It's like normally the first question you can get wrong because you jump into conclusion too quickly. It's like that.
Yeah.
So the last question was moreover is the right one,
Yeah. You're right.
not fittingly.
Definitely.
It's moreover. And the first question was like dough.
Though.
Mm,
Oh. So. Oh.
Dù gì đi nữa.
Mm.
So the word dough, it introduced a contrasting
The
idea.
contrast one. Yeah.
Yes. So I told you this one.
Right.
He didn't reject traditional form entirely. So he still follows some rules, right? And then in this sentence, they say he was breaking new ground. So opposite of that.
Mm.
So it has to be contrasting. Don't.
So
Mhm.
yes.
Okay. All
Okay.
right. So this one it's 15. So 16 for me homework. Okay. So rhetorical synthesis. Oh my God. The word sounds headachy. Rhetorical synthesis,
Oh, but that
expression ideas.
but this one is the easiest type of
You,
question, I
you
think.
think so?
Yeah, because we just need to like read the question,
Mm,
not reading the notes.
you think so?
Yeah.
All right. I still want to emphasize the similarity between the two works, which are most effectively use relevant information from the notes to accomplish this goal.
Similarity.
Emphasize similarity between two works.
No. It's B. Yeah, it's B. Both eraser and homegrown.
Question two.
Yeah. Students to introduce the scientific field of study to a new
Yeah,
audience.
probably you're right. You don't even need to read the notes.
Yeah, because Mr. Abe already told me that.
Abe.
Abe?
We
Mm,
call them. We call him Abe or Abraham. You
oh, but he always like refer himself as Abe. So
weird, right?
Abe, so I kind of get used to that.
Weird. Why he referred to himself as that? Yeah.
Abe. It's B.
Hmm. Introduce scientists and her field of study to the new audience. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Sounds like he introduced who Camille Zasmin Gainer says.
Yes, and the field of
Mm.
study, the code.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Okay, number three. Is it too big now? Should I make it smaller?
No, no, no. It's fine for me.
Okay.
It's- It's C. Yeah. A is correct.
Heat-absorbing materials may reside in a planet's upper atmosphere. To an audience already familiar with term
Already
expression.
familiar, so
So you can use like very short but term like scientific terms,
mm, yeah, maybe sorry about that. No, but I think C is better. Could it has like researchers found that.
Yes, but the audience already familiar with thermal invasion. They knew what we're talking about. They knew about like these gas giant having this one already. So this part is redundant, right? Cái khúc này nó dư thừa, tại vì họ đã biết được cái chủ đề này rồi.
Mm,
This one already they know about thermal invasion and gas giant.
I feel like A and C are talking about the same thing, but A is
Hmm.
for
It's too
those.
many words are redundant because these people they know about thermal inversion already. They know about this
Yeah.
gas giant. They know about those things.
Mm,
So what do you choose?
heat absorbing metals may reside in the upper atmosphere. Oh, I see what you mean. Um, okay, so I think D.
Hmm. I might be wrong though.
Sim wants to emphasize the difference between two muscle
Like muslins, right?
muslins. What is muslins?
Not Muslims, but muslin.
Mus muslin woven cotton fabrics. Yeah, it's C. It's C.
Hmm. Dhaka muslins and my fabric. Uh-huh.
Wow.
It sounds like a difference between the two muslin. Emphasize it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Number five. Why do you have to use so weird names?
Right. It's
Goyo Akan.
what to introduce. It's D. It's D. Hmm. I think it's D. Wait. Hello, Mr. John.
I'm still here. What do you choose?
Yes, I choose D.
So an audience unfamiliar with artists. So it means you have to introduce who that artist is.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Who's best known for what? Right. Good. So if an audience unfamiliar with artists, you have to introduce a lot. Who the artist is, what they do, something like that.
Yeah.
Okay, so number six. Oh, there. Okay, number six.
It's C.
Hmm. Present the primary aim of research study. So both of them want to better understand mechanics behind greatness, uniquely flexible yet cohesive structure property. Primary aim. Okay, I agree. Number 7.
Thoroughness. Uh, thoroughness means like overall, like the whole thing. Is it like
Okay, so let's say
emphasize the thoroughness?
thoroughness. Like
Oh,
thoroughness means like you go from A to Z
thoroughness. So it's like
thoroughly, thoroughly, một cách
thorough.
triệt để từ A đến Z nha.
Oh, okay. Thorough, thoroughly. I'll go for A. Yeah, probably A. A.
I
Okay.
also agree because the thoroughness, like she not only do this, but she only do that as
Do
well.
that?
She
Yeah.
do a lot of things, right?
Oh, yes.
Correct. Okay.
One.
You got only 3C.
Let's see.
Let's see now. So 3C.
So.
So tests 19, 20, and 21 is a lot of things, form, structure, and sense. I think we need to do these things quite thoroughly because it's hard for you, I think.
Hmm.
There's a lot of more practice tests though.
Form, structure, and sense. So it's
Yeah.
like grammar or what?
Yeah, punctuation, grammar, and stuff like that, I think. Okay, so number 3, it's the thermal invasion something. Oh, you're right. It's C.
What's the that this one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now you're already familiar with thermal invasions. Inversion, sorry. Okay.
Or but like why cannot be D?
No idea.
Yes.
Most effectively use rapid information run notes.
Maybe because D is too short.
Maybe read the notes. I don't understand. Sometimes we think that these things right, but the answer is different. Weird.
Hmm. Hmm.
But the audience already familiar with thermal inversion. Weird. Why, right?
Wait. Like the last sentence of the note of the
Yeah.
last bullet point is
Yeah.
about explanation. So maybe it's like it's another thing. It's another expect. It's not in the findings of the research. Yeah, maybe.
Can you say that again, please?
So the last bullet point is about
Okay, this one.
one explanation.
Mm,
So maybe it's different from the findings of the research. So maybe it's because of that. So we cannot choose D.
different from the finding. So it's just an explanation. It's not a finding, right?
It's an explanation. It's not a fighting.
Ah, I see your point now. Okay, so that is 17.
Yeah.
All right, so 17 rhetorical synthesis. 19 is form, structure, and sense. Let's see what it is. Why is it getting so hot here?
Huh?
Yeah, it's weird. I feel so hot.
You can adjust the AC.
Yeah, I had a cold like for a week, and then now I still
Oh,
feel hot.
you good now?
Yeah, I'm better now. You can see
Yeah.
my voice better now.
Mm, it's good.
Hmm. Okay, so form, structure, and sense.
It's
Let's do this one. Okay, so this one is about form, structure, and sense. Let's do this one.
grammar.
Number one.
I think it's okay. Uh, the color is flame. The color indicates B,
D or B?
B.
The colors flame indicates yes. Number two.
Mm. Is C.
Correct. It's just
Uh,
like grammar, I think.
yeah, just grammar. It saved the SAT.
The
It's
sum of money one donates to register an
the
organization.
sum of
So
money.
what is the main noun here?
The sum of money.
Yes,
So
the sum of money is singular, right?
yeah, so B, B, right? The same.
Yes. Okay. Embaucher. Sounds like French.
Yeah, for sure.
Embaucher, something.
The shape of the skill travel. The shape, so allows A.
Hmm. Number five.
Oh, it is A.
It is able to.
Yeah, A.
Wait, it is able to survive on a diet of atmospheric gases found in soil.
It is
Wait,
able to.
I
Oh,
think
wait. Yeah,
these organisms can survive, right? So
right.
plural.
Oh, right. They are. They.
See, sometimes
Ah,
be
trick.
careful. Come on.
Yeah.
Okay, before the jury trial begins, do you know who the jury is?
Yes.
Right, and the judge and the jury is like the
Right.
group of people who decide if a person is guilty or not.
Or innocent. Yes.
Yes, correct.
Before jury, liars from each side into interview.
Jurors.
She was covered. Um, asking them, which is B
You ask him or her, you mean?
B
Okay, number seven.
C.
They're a long legs.
Oh, last one.
Yes.
Spiders from the family. Cover. Yeah, I think A
Hmm.
plural.
Yes. Okay, good. You should get them all right. Correct.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So 19. Okay, you should also write down that you should do 20 and 21 as well, okay? Because they are almost the same.
20, 21.
Okay,
Okay.
so homework also 20 and 21 as well.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, I'll see you